The IRS is holding refund money that may have your name on it, up to $8,046, and 1 in 5 workers who qualify never claim a dime. It's called the Earned Income Tax Credit, the biggest cash program in the entire tax code, and the people who need it most are the ones missing it. Today, how it works, who qualifies, and how to claim money from past years too. First, what makes this credit different? Most tax credits just shrink your tax bill. The Earned Income Tax Credit is refundable. If the credit is bigger than what you owe, the IRS sends you the difference in cash. Owe 0 taxes? You still get the full amount as a refund. This is real money for working people, not a discount. A payout. Here are the numbers for returns filed in 2026. 3 or more kids, up to $8,046. 2 kids, up to $7,152. 1 kid, up to $4,328. Even with no kids at all, up to $649. And the income limits reach further than people think. A married couple with 3 kids can earn close to $69,000 and still qualify. So why does 1 in 5 eligible workers miss it? Simple. If you earn under the filing threshold, you aren't required to file a tax return, so you don't. But no return means no credit. The IRS will not chase you down to hand you money. Gig workers, grandparents raising grandkids, people whose income dropped last year, new parents, the people leaving thousands on the table every year. Now the part almost nobody knows. You can claim this credit retroactively. The law gives you 3 years to file and still collect the refund. Missed 2024? Up to $7,830 is still claimable. Missed 2023? Up to $7,430. But that window slams shut on April 15th, 2027. And when the IRS owes you money, there's no late filing penalty at all. File late, get paid anyway. Checking takes about 10 minutes. Go to irs.gov and search for the EITC Assistant, a free official tool that asks a handful of questions about your income, filing status, and kids, then tells you whether you qualify and estimates your credit. No account, no cost, nothing to sign up for. Run it for family too. Eligibility changes every year. If you qualify, never pay to collect. IRS Free File lets most people file their federal return online at no cost. Even better, VITA, Volunteer Income Tax Assistants, IRS certified preparers who do your taxes for free, in person, including those back year returns. Search VITA Locator for a site near you. Professional tax help, $0. 2 warnings before you file. First, by law, refunds that include this credit can't go out before mid-February. So filing early means a short wait. That's normal, not a red flag. Second, avoid ghost preparers who take a percentage of your refund and refuse to sign your return. Real help is free, and the IRS will never text you, DM you, or ask for a fee to release your money. Quick recap. The Earned Income Tax Credit pays up to $8,046 in cash, even if you owe nothing. 1 in 5 eligible workers never claims it. You can go back 3 years, and the 2023 window closes April 15th, 2027. 10 minutes at irs.gov tells you if you're owed. So, how many kids would you claim? Drop it in the comments, and I'll reply with your maximum credit. Subscribe to Never Talk That, the money lessons school skipped. And next time, the $2,200 per kid credit most parents only claim part of.